So after clicking on the WhatsApp screen notification, it will show you want to connect your WhatsApp account to laptop or desktop. So you will confirm it from here. Do you want to connect your WhatsApp account from mobile phone to desktop or laptop? Are you about of trying? Then the video is mainly for you. That is, you can use your WhatsApp account to desktop or laptop. So for this, you have to open any browser on your desktop or laptop. I am showing it to a mobile phone because there is no problem. Because no matter where you add it, the method is the same. So for this, of you who your mobile user, you have to turn on the desktop side in this browser. Then you will type whatsapp.com in this search bar. Then you will get the WhatsApp website. Then you will click on the option that you see on the top right side in green color. Then you will see the option called WhatsApp web here. Click on login from here. After clicking on the login option, you will be taken to a new tab and you will be search option here. What do you have to do to login? So you will read this. So you can see that you can connect WhatsApp by here scanning the QR code. For this, you will click on the login with phone number option below the QR code because I am going to show you the entire process. So you can see that after clicking here, you will get the option to give your mobile number. For this, you will first select your country code, then you will give your mobile number, then you will next from here. So after clicking next, you will be shown some code number or PIN number on desktop side and a notification or SMS will be seen the place where WhatsApp is login in your mobile phone. So after clicking on the WhatsApp screen notification, it will show you want to connect your WhatsApp account to laptop or desktop. So you will confirm it from here. After that, here you have to confirm whether you are using mobile data or Wi-Fi. You will select the network that you are using. After that, you have to verify the fingerprint. After that, you have to enter the code number here. That is, you have to submit the code number that you got on desktop or laptop to the WhatsApp on your mobile device. So you see, I go to the code number on the desktop and I submit it here on the mobile device. Now you will go to the desktop or laptop and you will see the WhatsApp account in login in here. So there you can use it your desktop or laptop just like you just use your WhatsApp account on your mobile phone. How did you like the video? If you like and comment. If this video solved your problem, then definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn the bell icon next to it so that you will get our important video fast. Also, how to protect your WhatsApp account from hackers and how to secret your WhatsApp account. Apart from this, how do you use multiple WhatsApp accounts on your device? All those videos are uploaded on my YouTube channel and Facebook page. You can watch them if you want, or the link to this video will be given in the description box. You can watch them. Everyone stay well, stay healthy. Thank you very much to everyone.